We recently took a trip to
The Teeny Simon Power Plant.
We wanted to know a little about how electricity is made, so we were really excited when they let us come in to watch.
Since 1966, this power plant has been generating both electricity and steam for Michigan State University.
We were told it was going to get pretty noisy, so they gave us some protection for our ears. It's loud.
Behind this fence are pipes going deep underground, and they draw up tons of natural gases into the building. This has been the main fuel that's been used at this plant since 2016.
That gas moves all the way through these pipes into these huge boilers. There the gas is ignited, producing really high temperatures.
That heats up water circulating around the boiler, turning the water into steam. That steam is over 800 degrees Fahrenheit and over 900 pounds of force per square inch. That's like 60 times greater than the air pressure we experience around us all the time.
All that steam comes through a steam chest like this, making sure that the steam stays at a constant speed as it's moving through.
All that really hot, high-pressure steam blows through the turbines that look like this, spinning them around about 3,600 times a minute.
But the reason why they want the turbine to spin around is because attached to them are generators that look like this. This is where the real magic happens.
Inside these generators are magnets. And when they spin near electric wires, inside the wire are electrons that get pushed by the magnetic force. And all those moving electrons is what we call electricity.
They then took us down to the basement to see all these commercial turbines. This is basically what a jet engine looks like. This ignites dense compressed air, which gets really hot and expands.
On an airplane, that motion would be used to thrust the plane forward. But here, that motion is used to turn a generator, making even more electricity. And any leftover heat from that is used to make more steam.
They also brought us to another building to see these rice engines. This was really loud, so we had to wear both earplugs and earmuffs.
These are the same kind of engines they use on cruise ships or large cargo vessels out at sea. On the ocean, they're used to move ships forward. Here, they're used to spin generators to make electricity.
The whole goal is spinning generators around to make electricity, just like in the main building.
Only here, they skip the steam step.
Natural gas mixes with air, which is ignited, making little explosions happen over and over again, turning the generator, making even more electricity.
In the master control room, they show us a big monitor that displays everything going on in the plant. How much natural gas they're using, how much steam the boilers are putting out, which generators are spinning, and how much electricity they're making.
There has been at least one person in this room at all times since 1965, using these smaller screens over here to control everything happening in the power plant.
We loved our trip to the power plant. We had no idea that there were so many complex machines that worked to give us the electricity we use every day.